Hi everyone, and welcome. We're here with Brendan from CC Martin. Brendan, lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you.
Would you like to tell us a bit about your product and your brand?
Yeah, so at CC Matting we manufacture, distribute and install contamination control flooring.
Great.
This is my own IP. It took about a year and a half to develop, and as of 3 months ago we started manufacturing and we're now distributing worldwide.
What makes it different, mate?
What makes it different? Okay, people who are familiar with polymer matting will know how it works. It removes particulate from the feet and the wheels of trolleys as you traverse across the mat.
Yeah.
But one of my core focus points when I developed it was that durability had to be something, because we've noticed, I've talking to customers for the last 8 years in Ireland, that they want something that's going to last, it's durable. So this mat is designed to take forklift, pallet truck traffic.
Oh really?
Yeah, and it's got the highest point load bearing in the world, 130 kilograms per centimeter squared. It's extremely durable, and it's also the lowest slip rate value for a pendulum test value of 57. There's no other polymer mat in the world that has a slip rating that low in the wet. So
that is very tacky when I'm standing on it, to be fair.
It is. Now, you can't have it too tacky either, because it becomes a trip hazard.
This is
so
true.
there's a very delicate balance, you know what I mean, between having it tacky and too tacky. So, but it does exactly what it says on the tin. It removes up to 99% of particulate from the feet or wheels of trolleys, 100% of fibres. Like I said, we're distributing out of Ireland. We currently have the blue and the grey in stock. We'll have red in about 12 weeks, and we're developing 2 or 3 other colours which will be online in the next 6 to 9 months.
Right.
Yeah.
So how would people get in touch with you?
So you can go on the website, ccmatting.ie or ccmatting.co.uk.
Right.
We're on LinkedIn, Brendan Neary, Stephen Geraghty, or to reach out, give us a telephone call. But we're here, we're everywhere, thank God.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So obviously this is a new product, so this might be your first time at Making Pharma. How have you found it?
It was brilliant. We made some great relationships, met some lovely people, and we were interested to see there's lots of new clean rooms coming online. There's lots of facilities. There's lots happening in the UK market. And it was great to hear. You know what I mean? So we met loads of prospective clients. Next week we already have some site visits lined up. So it's great.
Oh, amazing!
Yeah, very, very effective. Very.
You've done all right when we've walked past in the event, and you've got this obviously sponsored space.
That's
for
right.
a little breakout area, and a little coffee thing.
Yeah.
You've done well. So you've been busy all the time, to be fair.
It was ideal because people came here, they wanted to do a bit of networking, then they stopped for a chat and they'd get intrigued about what are we doing and who are we, because we're new to the market.
Yeah.
And it was a nice meeting point for people, and very, so it really paid off for us.
Sounds good. Well, lovely to chat to you.
Likewise.
Thank you very much for your time, and good luck.
Appreciate it.